Think you know which cars are truly made in America? In 2025, it's not just about muscle, electric power is leading the way. From rugged trucks to high-tech Teslas, here are the top 5 made in USA cars of 2025, built right here on American soil. Welcome back to Wheelwise Review. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 American-made cars of 2025, based on the Cars.com American Made Index, one of the most trusted rankings for how American a vehicle truly is. We're not just talking about brand names. We're diving into where the cars are actually built, the parts they use, and how many American workers help create them. If you love cars and supporting US manufacturing, stay tuned, you'll be surprised who made the list. Before we jump in, let's quickly break down how Cars.com measures American-made. They look at 5 key factors. 1. Where the car is assembled. 2. The percentage of US and Canadian parts used. 3. Where the engine is made. 4. Where the transmission is made. 5. And how many US workers are involved in its production. So this list isn't about logos or heritage, it's about actual, measurable American manufacturing. Starting off at number 5, the Jeep Gladiator. Built proudly in Toledo, Ohio, this truck screams American toughness. The Gladiator scores high for its domestic parts content and American workforce. It's everything you'd expect from Jeep, rugged, capable, and built for adventure. In a world moving toward EVs, the Gladiator still stands tall as a symbol of traditional US craftsmanship. At number 4, the Tesla Model X. This all-electric SUV is assembled in Fremont, California, and features a high percentage of American-sourced components. Tesla's vertical integration, from software to batteries, keeps most of its manufacturing right here at home. With its futuristic Falcon wing doors and cutting-edge tech, the Model X proves that innovation and American-made quality can go hand in hand. Coming in at number 3, the Tesla Model S. Also built in Fremont, the Model S combines luxury with American engineering excellence. It's fast, sleek, and loaded with tech, yet still manages one of the highest Made in America scores of any vehicle. For drivers who want premium performance while supporting US jobs, the Model S is the perfect blend of both worlds. Our number 2 pick is the Tesla Model Y, one of the best-selling vehicles in the world right now. It's built in Fremont, California, and Austin, Texas, giving it a huge American footprint. From the aluminum body panels to the advanced battery packs, the majority of this vehicle's components are made domestically. The Model Y isn't just a top-selling EV, it's a leading example of large-scale American manufacturing done right. Our number 2 pick is the Tesla Model Y, one of the best-selling vehicles in the world right now. It's built in Fremont, California, and Austin, Texas, giving it a huge American footprint. From the aluminum body panels to the advanced battery packs, the majority of this vehicle's components are made domestically. The Model Y isn't just a top-selling EV, it's a leading example of large-scale American manufacturing done right. And finally, number 1, the Tesla Model 3. This car tops the 2025 American Made Index for good reason. Built in Fremont with the highest US and Canadian parts content, the Model 3 represents the future of the American auto industry. Tesla's streamlined design and homegrown supply chain have made it the most American-made car on the market. Affordable, efficient, and proudly built in the USA, the Model 3 earns its place at the top. So what does this list tell us? First, electric vehicles are dominating. 4 of the top 5 cars are Teslas. Second, being American-made isn't just about the badge anymore. Many foreign brands also build right here in the States. And third, buying these vehicles supports thousands of American workers, from factory floors to supply chains. The US auto industry isn't shrinking, it's transforming. Before we wrap up, here are a few honorable mentions that didn't make the top 5 but are still very American in spirit. Honda Ridgeline and Honda Odyssey, both built in Alabama. Kia EV6, made in Georgia. And Volkswagen ID.4, assembled in Tennessee. They might not be traditional US brands, but they're proof that, made in America, now spans across the global car industry. Why should any of this matter to car buyers? Because when you choose a car built here, you're supporting American jobs, local economies, and innovation at home. You're also helping the shift toward a cleaner, high-tech automotive future that keeps America at the center of global car manufacturing. And there you have it, the top 5 most American-made cars of 2025. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support more US-made car content. Thanks for watching, and remember, the road ahead is electric, innovative, and proudly American.